In our 2020 strategic plan, we are encouraged to prioritize and incorporate reusable and recyclable material into our projects out in the field. It's so exciting because the Buildings and Historic Preservation crew is doing that by using logs that we get from our Meeker and Netherlands sort yards, and also from logs that our forestry crew is gleaning from doing forest mitigation, fire mitigation on our properties, especially in the mountains. We're using those logs to saw and make lumber to use in our historic preservation projects. This particular lumber is going to be going to the Myers Gulch barn, and we're going to use it to restore that barn. This is how the Buildings and Historic Preservation crew is maintaining a zero waste policy.